This is Lex V Designs. Welcome to my channel today. Today we are going to be learning how to put this side pocket in our dresses, whether they've been made formally or whether you're just making them afresh. And this is so simple to make and it comes out so beautiful. So let's get started. Stay tuned. So first, I'm showing you the whole dress. This is a gown I had already made earlier this month. So I just changed my mind and I said, okay, why not put a pocket? When I wore the gown, I felt like, okay, this gown needed a pocket. So I just brought out the pieces of the clothes I had, the leftover I had formerly. I measured about 9 inches for my width, for the length of the pocket, and for my width I used 8. So this will mean that I'll be measuring from my waist to about 9 inches, just this way, from my waist to 9 inches. From that place where you have your half length, that's where I'm calling my width. So to 9 inches, that's where my pocket will run through to. Okay, so I'll be placing this now, these two sides, front to front. I'll place the front to this side and then I'll pin another one of the sides to the other side. Let me just do that and show you. Moreover, you can cut this piece in a square form, in a rectangular form rather, and while you are sewing it, you can just form out your pocket. But if you want to form it already before you sew it, you can go ahead with that method. But this time, what I'm doing is I am just sewing on with the rectangular method, and then I'll just form the shape I want it after. So I just pin them this way. Each of the sides have their own piece and I pin them, and you can see my stitch where I ran the stitch already formally. I'll be losing that stitch and I'll be adjusting it to this new pocket stitch. Look at where I placed my hand. I placed it so I will make sure that the pocket enters my hand comfortably. Then I'll be forming my circular line. So this is me where I just ran the stitch from here straight down here, and I just did that for the other side too. I loosed this stitch. This stitch is already loosened. I just loosed it, and so this way I will sew from here. I will just sew this way. From here I will also sew this way. Then I will just go round. Look at the way I will just go this way and come back. So let me just do that again. I'll go this way, come down a bit, or come down straight, then go this way, circular form this way, and I'll then come down from that side too. This is so easy to make. Once you follow this method, just look at the way I just made it. It's all simple. Within 5 minutes, less than 5 minutes, I was already done. And you can do this to even all your dresses that you already. It mustn't be the same fabric. You can just get something matching, and then you like a side pocket, two sides, one side. This is at the right side anyway. The part I used for this is the right side, and look at the way I just made it. It's so simple to make. You can weave the remaining when you're done. So look at the way it came out. My hands are fully inside. You can see that the 8 inches width is so comfortable for my hand. So this is all. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.